I made this video to help those of you that may be having trouble with beard lineups. So the way I approach this, I always line the beard up with the trimmer first, and I do that to give me a rough draft before I come back and use the razor. The razor will make the lineup much more crisp and precise without me pushing the beard down. And if you have trouble reaching certain spots on the beard, just have the client move their mouth a certain way to help you. Applying shave gel is the most important part of this process. This reduces irritation and it helps the razor glide easier on the skin. And notice how I applied the shave gel above his beard on the skin and into the hair of the beard as well. This will make the hair soft and moisturize the skin at the same time. And lead with the point of the razor. This will give you the most control. And when you're lining up a beard with a razor, use your thumb to pull the skin in the opposite direction that you're going with the razor. Doing this will drastically reduce the chance of you nicking the client by accident. So a lot of people will stop right here and think that the lineup is done, but comb away that residue and refine that line over and over. See how I'm not using a lot of pressure, I'm leading with the point of the razor, and I'm not taking the beard down either. I'm staying on that same line, I'm just refining it to make it sharper. And each time I'm going to comb away the residue and repeat. Do this as many times as necessary. You want to make sure that you're taking your time when you're doing the razor around the lip area. This area is very easy to cut. When I first started out, I will not lie to you, I did nick a couple of people. You really have to make sure that you use enough shave gel in this area. Also, another tip is to have the client blow a bubble in their cheek. This will make the hair on the cheek stand up and it will make it easier for you to get in those crevices, especially by the mustache. I just want to show you guys how to get a sharp lineup without using the enhancements at first. I'm not knocking enhancements. Let me repeat that. I am not knocking enhancements. I'm just a strong believer in learning how to do it with skill first. So once again, I'm combing away the residue and then you just refine it until you're satisfied with how crisp the line is. So one thing about razor blades, they will dull out. So once I do one side, I take the blade out and flip it to use the other end. You will notice if you try to use the same blade on an entire head, it will start to cut less precise. So that's just another tip. So if you guys got value out of this video, I ask that you hit that subscribe button as well as the like button and let me know what other videos you guys want to see.